lesson number 9 of your class 7 English, that is doing India proud. So let's begin with this lesson. Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla, July 1, 1961 February 1, 2003 was an astronaut. वो कौन थी? एक एस्ट्रोनॉट थी and space shuttle mission specialist थी, और that is STS-107 Columbia, who was killed when the craft in which she and her fellow astronauts were traveling disintegrated after re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. जब के लोग कब खत्म हो गई थी वो, जब कब डेथ हुई थी उनकी, जब वो वापस आ रही थी अपने एयरक्राफ्ट में, that disintegrated after re-entry, जब वो अर्थ के एटमॉस्फेयर में आए तो वो डिसइंटीग्रेट हो गया था. चावला was born in करनाल में born हुई थी, हरियाणा में, इंडिया में. Her interest in flying was inspired by J.R.D. Tata, India's first pilot. किससे इंस्पायर हुई थी वो? J.R.D. Tata, जो हमारे इंडिया के फर्स्ट पायलट थे. कल्पना चावला completed her earlier schooling at Tagore Public School, करनाल. उन्होंने अपनी स्कूलिंग कहाँ खत्म करी थी? टैगोर पब्लिक स्कूल में, करनाल में. And studied astronautical engineering at the Punjab Engineering College in 1982. 1982 में उन्होंने अपनी एस्ट्रोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग खत्म करी थी. कहाँ में? पंजाब इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में. When she earned her Bachelor's of Science degree, जब उन्होंने अपनी Bachelor's of Science BSc की डिग्री मिली थी, thereafter she moved to the United States to obtain a Master's of Science degree. फिर वो अपने कहाँ चली गई थी? यूएस चली गई थी मास्टर ऑफ साइंस डिग्री ऑब्टेन करने के लिए. किसमें? एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग में, फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्सास 1984. कल्पना चावला earned a doctorate in aerospace engineering. उन्होंने क्या अर्न करा था? एक डॉक्टरेट अर्न करी थी एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग में. कहाँ से? यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कोलोराडो in 1988. Later that year, she began working at NASA MS Research Center. उन्होंने फिर कहाँ वर्क करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था? नासा में, MS रिसर्च सेंटर में, एज वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ओवरसेट मेथड. वो कौन थी वहाँ की? वाइस प्रेसिडेंट थी ओवरसेट मेथड की. चावला हेल्ड अ सर्टिफिकेटेड फ्लाइट इंस्ट्रक्टर रेटिंग फॉर एयरप्लेन. वो कौन थी? उन्हें सर्टिफिकेट मिला फ्लाइट इंस्ट्रक्टर रेटिंग का एयरप्लेन्स की, ग्लाइडर्स एंड कमर्शियल पायलट लाइसेंस फॉर सिंगल एंड मल्टी इंजन एयरप्लेन्स. उन्हें कमर्शियल पायलट लाइसेंस भी मिला था, मल्टी इंजन एयरप्लेन्स का, सी प्लेन्स एंड ग्लाइडर्स का भी. By this time, Kalpana Chawla had become a naturalized USS citizen. यहाँ पे क्या बन गई थी? कल्पना चावला naturalized USS citizen बन गई थी. And married Jean Perry Harrison, a freelance flying instructor. किससे शादी करी थी उन्होंने? Jean Perry Harrison से, freelance flying instructor थे वो. Dr. Chawla entered NASA astronaut program. Dr. Chawla ने कहाँ एंटर करा? NASA astronaut program में एंटर करा. कब? 1994 and was selected for fly in 1996. अब फ्लाई के लिए सिलेक्ट करी थी किसने? 1996 में उनको सेलेक्ट करा गया था फ्लाइट के लिए. Chawla's first mission to space began on November 9, 1997. उनका फर्स्ट मिशन कब स्टार्ट हुआ था? November 9 में 1997 में. As part of the 6 astronaut crew, वो 6 astronaut crew की पार्ट बनी थी. That flew space shuttle Columbia flight STS-87. Chawla was the first Indian-born woman in space. ये कौन थी? फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमेन थी जो बॉर्न हुई थी, मतलब स्पेस में गई थी. एज वेल एज द फर्स्ट इंडियन अमेरिकन इन स्पेस, और फर्स्ट इंडियन अमेरिकन थी कहाँ? स्पेस में. शी वॉज द सेकेंड पर्सन फ्रॉम इंडिया टू फ्लाई इनटू स्पेस. वो कौन थी? सेकेंड पर्सन थी इंडिया से जो फ्लाई करी थी स्पेस में. After cosmonaut Rakesh Sharma, who went into space in 1984. कॉस्मोनॉट राकेश शर्मा के बाद यही थी जो स्पेस में गए थे 1984 में सोवियत स्पेसक्राफ्ट में. On her mission, Chawla traveled over 6.5 miles in the space comprising of 252 orbits of the Earth, lodging more than 375 hours in space. In 2000, she was selected for second flight. 2000 में उन्हें सेकेंड फ्लाइट के लिए सेलेक्ट करा गया था एज अ पार्ट ऑफ क्रू ऑफ STS-107. On January 16, 2003 में चावला फाइनली रिटर्न टू स्पेस अबॉर्ड कोलंबिया. वो वापस आ गई थी स्पेस अबॉर्ड कोलंबिया में ऑन द ill-fated STS-107 मिशन. Chawla's responsibilities included the microgravity experiments. उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज में क्या थे? माइक्रोग्रेविटी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स थे, for which the crew conducted nearly 80 experiments studying Earth. 88 experiments करे थे अर्थ को स्टडी करते हुए. and space science, advanced technology development, astronaut health and safety. चावला died in space shuttle Columbia disaster. वो कब डाइड हो गई थी? स्पेस शटल कोलंबिया डिजास्टर में डेथ हो गई थी उनकी, which occurred in February 1, 2003. When the space shuttle disintegrated over Texas during the re-entry. space shuttle से टेक्सास के ऊपर disintegrate हो गया था जब वो वापस आ रहे थे, जब री-एंट्री कर रहे थे वो अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर में, with the loss of 7 crew members. 7 crew members खत्म हो गए थे इसमें. Shortly before it was scheduled to conclude its 28th mission, STS 2107. Her brother Sanjay Chawla remarked to me, "My sister is not dead." तो उनके ब्रदर थे संजय चावला, उन्होंने रिमार्क करा था टू मी मेरे लिए मेरी सिस्टर डेड नहीं है. शी इज इमॉर्टल, वो अमर है. Isn't that what a star is? क्या वो स्टार नहीं है? She is a permanent star in the sky. वो एक permanent star है स्काई में. She will always be up there where she belongs. वो वहीं रहेगी जहाँ से वो belong करती है. Kalpana Chawla's invaluable contribution has been fully recognized with posthumous awards, namely the Congressional Space Medals of Honor, NASA Space Flight Medals, and the NASA Distinguished Service Medals. Now, Sunita Williams. Now, let's talk about Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams was born in Islip, Ohio, USA, to Deepak Pandya and Boni Pandya. कब बॉर्न हुई थी? कहाँ पे? यूएसए में, यूस्लेट ओहियो में. किसकी थी वो? दीपक पांडे और बोनी पांडे की डॉटर थी. हु रिसाइडेड इन फॉर्मल्स, मैसेच्यूसेट्स. दीपक पांडे इज वेल नोन न्यूरो एनाटॉमिस्ट. कौन थे वो? न्यूरो एनाटॉमिस्ट थे. विलियम पैटर्नल एंस्ट्री ओरिजिनेट्स इन गुजरात इन इंडिया. उनकी हिस्ट्री कहाँ थी? ओरिजिनेट गुजरात से ओरिजिनेटेड थे वो. And that her mother in Slovenia. उनकी मदर कहाँ थी? स्लोवेनिया की थी. Williams is just an American of Indian and Slovenian descent. विलियम क्या था? एक अमेरिकन और इंडियन स्लोवेनियन डिसेंट था. She is married to Michael J. Williams. तो किससे मैरी करी थी उन्होंने? किससे शादी करी थी? माइकल जे विलियम्स से शादी करी थी उन्होंने. A federal police officer in Oregon. फेडरल पुलिस ऑफिसर थे ऑरेगन में. The two have been married for more than 20 years. 20 साल से उनकी शादी, and both flew helicopters in the early days. वो हेलीकॉप्टर फ्लू करते थे अपने करियर के अर्ली डेज में. Her recreational interest include running. उनके recreational interest में क्या थी? रनिंग थी, स्विमिंग थी, बाइकिंग थी, windsurfing, snowboarding and bow hunting. William attended Needham High School in Needham. उन्होंने Needham High School में अटेंड करा था, उन्होंने वहाँ से स्टडीज करी थी. Graduating in 1983. She went to receive a Bachelor of Science. वो मतलब बैचलर ऑफ साइंस डिग्री में रिसीव करने गई थी इन फिजिकल साइंस फ्रॉम द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स नेवल एकेडमी. यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स नेवल एकेडमी से अपनी बैचलर ऑफ साइंस करी थी 1987 में. एंड अ मास्टर ऑफ साइंस डिग्री इन इंजीनियरिंग मैनेजमेंट. मास्टर ऑफ साइंस डिग्री करी थी इंजीनियरिंग मैनेजमेंट में फ्रॉम फ्लोरिडा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन 1995. So William received her commission as an insight in the U.S. Navy from the United States Naval Academy in May 1987. After a 6 months temporary assignment, 6 month की temporary assignment के बाद, मतलब not permanent assignment जो होता है, at the Naval Coastal System Command, she received her designation as a basic diving officer. उन्हें basic diving officer का designation मिला था, and then reported to the Naval Air Training Command. She was designated a naval aviator. उन्हें कैसे designation मिला था? naval aviator का. In later became the officer in charge. फिर officer in charge बनी थी वो किसकी? H-46 detachment sent to Miami, Florida hurricane NGO relief operations aboard the USS Sylvania. So Williams was selected for US Naval Test Pilot School. उन्हें किस लिए select करा गया था? US Naval Test Pilot School के लिए select किया गया था. Began the course in January 1993. उन्होंने अपना कोर्स कब begin करा था? January 1993 में. इसके बाद after graduation in December 1993. So she was assigned to the Rotary Wing aircraft. उन्हें किस लिए assign किया गया था? Rotary Wing aircraft के लिए assign किया गया था. Aircraft Test Directorate as an H-46 project officer. किसकी तरह रखा गया? H-46 project officer and V-22 chase pilot in the T2 in T2. In December 1995, she went back to Naval Test Pilot School. फिर वो वापस टेस्ट पायलट स्कूल में चली गई 1995 में as an instructor in the Rotary Wing Department and the school safety officer की तरह. She has launched over 3,000 flight hours in more than 30 different aircrafts. उन्होंने 3,005 flight hours करे more than 30 different aircrafts में. Selected by NASA in 1998. NASA ने उन्हें select करा 1998 में. Williams began her training in August 1998. उन्होंने अपनी August 1998 में training start करी. Her astronaut candidate training include orientation briefing. उनके astronaut training include में क्या included है? Orientation briefings थी, tours थे, numerous scientific and technical briefings थी, intensive instructions थे in shuttle and international space station systems, psychological training and ground school to prepare for T-38 flight training, as well as learning water and wilderness survival techniques के बारे में उन्होंने सीखा. Following a period of training and evaluation, Williams worked in Moscow. उन्होंने कहा वो वर्क करा मॉस्को में with the Russian Space Agency on the Russian contribution to the ISS and with the first expedition crew sent to the ISS. Following the return of Expedition 1, William worked with the robotics branch. उन्होंने किसके साथ वर्क करा? रोबोटिक्स ब्रांच के साथ वर्क करा ISS रोबोटिक आर्म में and related special purpose Dexter's manipulator. She was a crew member on the Nemo 2 mission. वो क्या थी? crew member थे किसमें? Nemo 2 mission में. Living underwater in aquarius habitat. जो underwater रही किसमें? aquarius habitat में 9 days तक in May 2002. So as of 2008, Sunita Williams served as NASA Deputy Chief. वो क्या बन गई? NASA Deputy Chief बन गई astronaut office की. She was assigned as backup crew member. उन्हें backup crew member की तरह assign करा गया for Expedition 30 to International Space Station and is a crew member of Expedition 32. वो क्या थी? crew member है Expedition 32 की, which launched in July of 2012. कब launch हुआ? July 2012 में and will stay on ISS to be the commander of Expedition 33. Like many astronauts, Williams is licensed amateur. उन्हें license किया गया amateur radio operator की तरह. Having possessed amateur means a person who studies for pleasure. Having passed the technical class license exam in 2001. She used one of the 2 amateur radio stations aboard the ISS when she talked with school children. जब वो school children से बात करती थी वो use करती थी उसको. Williams was launched to the International Space Station ISS. उन्हें launch किया International Space Station ISS के साथ with STS-116 aboard the shuttle Discovery. कब launch होया गया? December 9, 2006 to join Expedition 14 crew. उन्हें 14 crew में join करा गया expedition में. In April 2007, the Russian member of the crew rotated. Russian member of the crew ने rotate करा, changing to Expedition 15. Now, among the personal items Williams took with her to the ISS were a copy of Bhagavad Gita. वो अपने साथ क्या लेके गई? कॉपी लेके गई थी भागवत गीता की. A small figurine of the Hindu deity. एक small figure लेके गई थी हिंदू deity की, that is Ganesh, and some samosas. वो अपने साथ कुछ samosas लेके गई थी. After launching aboard Space Shuttle Discovery, Williams performed her first extravehicular activity on the 8th day. उन्होंने extravehicular activity कब perform करी? अपने 8th day पे perform करी of the STS-116 mission on January 31, 4, February and February 9, 2007. She completed her 3 spacewalks. उन्होंने 3 spacewalks complete करी from the ISS with Michael Juan Lopez Elgueria. During one of these walks on camera, which became unearthed, probably due to failure of the attaching device and floating off to space before Williams could react. Williams react नहीं कर पा रही थी. On April 16, 2007, she ran the first marathon by an astronaut in orbit. उन्होंने orbit में first marathon run करी थी. Williams finished the 2007 Boston Marathon. उन्होंने finish करी थी अपनी 2007 Boston Marathon 4 hours 24 minutes में. The other crew members reportedly cheered her. Other crew members ने उनको cheer करा था and gave her oranges during the race. और race के time उन्हें oranges दिए थे. Williams Space Shuttle Atlantis touched down at Edwards Air Force Base in California returning Williams home after a record 195 days stay in space. 195 days के बाद वापस आई थी. After the landing, 41-year-old Sunita was chosen as Person of the Week. उन्हें Person of the Week की तरह choose करा गया by the ABC television network. In December, the network noted she had her long haircut. उन्होंने अपने long hairs को cut करवा दिया. So she could not donate her locks to help those who lost their hairs while fighting an illness. Williams, a record-setting astronaut, वो कौन सी record-setting astronaut थी? Who was awarded from the International Space Station for 6 months in 2006, is headed once again to space in July. She took off on July 14, 2012 from the Baikonur Cosmodrome. Williams has participated in 4 spacewalks during her astronaut career. उन्होंने 4 spacewalks में participate करा था अपने astronaut career में. The total time spent of spacewalks is 29 hours and 17 minutes. 29 hours 17 minutes spend करे थे उन्होंने. Williams hold the record for the longest space flight by a woman 95 days. उन्होंने record hold करा था. In September 2007, William visited India. William आई थी इंडिया में सितंबर में 2007 में. She went to साबरमती आश्रम. वो साबरमती आश्रम गई थी. The ashram set by महात्मा गांधी 1915. जो महात्मा गांधी ने आश्रम सेट करा था 1915 में. And her ancestor village Jhulsan in Gujarat. अपने ancestors के village में गई थी. She was awarded the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Vishwa Pratibha Award by the World Gujarati Society. World Gujarati Society ने उन्हें सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल विश्व प्रतिभा अवार्ड करा था. Becoming the first person of Indian descent who is not an Indian citizen to be presented the award. So on October 4, 2007, Williams spoke at the American Embassy School. उन्होंने बोला American Embassy School में and then met मनमोहन सिंह. वो मनमोहन सिंह से मिली, the Prime Minister of India, who was the Prime Minister of India. She is proud recipient of the Padma Bhushan. वो क्या है? Proud recipient है किसकी? Padma Bhushan की. So this was a source. This we get from the source Wikipedia. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Now let's talk about the exercise of this lesson. Kalpana Chawla was a space shuttle mission specialist in America. Kalpana Chawla studied in India. All the statements about Kalpana Chawla are true except she did a Masters of Science degree in Aerospace Engineering from a Punjab Engineering College. This is false. Sunita Williams was born at Ohio. Sunita Williams received the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Vishwa Pratibha Award and became the first person of Indian descent who is not an Indian citizen to receive it. So, fill in the blanks now. India's first pilot dash was a source of inspiration for Kalpana Chawla. That is J.R.D. Tata. A freelance flying instructor of Kalpana Chawla was husband. Chawla was the first Indian born dash in the space by the second Indian after, that is woman, first Indian born woman in the space by the second Indian after Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Rakesh Sharma. The holy book carried by Sunita Williams into space was Bhagavad Gita. Sunita Williams holds the record for the longest space by a woman. Space flight by a woman. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Kalpana Chawla worked at ISRO in India. False or true? False. On board the Space Shuttle Columbia STS-87, Chawla traveled 8.5 million miles in space. True. Chawla died in Space Shuttle Columbia disaster in 2003. False. Wait. Chawla died in Space Shuttle Columbia disaster in 2003. True. Sunita Williams had lost over 10,000 flights. 10,000 flight time, more than 100 aircraft. Is it true or is it false? Sunita Williams had lost over 10,000 flights, more than 100 aircraft. True. Sunita Williams has never been to India. False. Answer the following question. Describe Kalpana Chawla association with NASA. Kalpana Chawla joined NASA in 1994 as an assistant. She flew her first air mission in 1997 on the Space Shuttle Columbia, that is STS-87, as robotics and operator. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.